In this video for Positive Maths, we're looking at the Junior Cert Higher Level 2014 sample paper. This is question 12 from paper 1. A part 1. Solve the inequality. Minus 2 is less than 5x plus 3 is less than or equal to 18, where x is an element of the real numbers. So there's two different ways we can do this. Minus 2 is less than 5x plus 3, less than or equal to 18. So we want to aim to have x at either side of the inequality sign. A part 1. Solve the inequality. Minus 2 is less than 5x plus 3 is less than or equal to 18. So there's two different ways we can do this. The first way is to do it all at once. We know that we're aiming to have x in between the two inequality signs with numbers at either side. So the first step, we're going to subtract 3 from each different part. So we have minus 2 minus 3 is less than 5x plus 3 minus 3, less than or equal to 18 minus 3. So if we simplify, we get minus 5 is less than 5x is less than or equal to 15. Now we're going to divide each part by 5. So we have minus 5 divided by 5 is less than 5x divided by 5 is less than or equal to 15 divided by 5. And again, if we simplify, we get minus 1 is less than x is less than or equal to 3. The other way that we can do it is to take it in two parts. So we have minus 2 is less than 5x plus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is less than 5x. Minus 5 is less than 5x. Minus 5 divided by 5 is less than x. So minus 1 is less than x. And then if we take the other side, 5x plus 3 less than or equal to 18. 5x is less than or equal to 18 minus 3. 5x less than or equal to 15. X less than or equal to 15 divided by 5. So x is less than or equal to 3. We have minus 1 less than x and x less than or equal to 3. So it's the same as the previous one, but it's just in two parts rather than all together. Part 2. Graph your solution on the number line below. So the first thing we have to note is that x is an element of the real numbers. So therefore we're going to be using a heavy line in between minus 1 and 3. It doesn't include minus 1, so we're putting an open circle, but it does include 3, so we put a closed circle there. And then with our ruler and a different colored pen or pencil, we just draw the heavy line in between the two to suggest that includes all of the real numbers in between the two numbers. Again, not including minus 1, but including 3. Neve is in a clothes shop and has a voucher which she must use. The voucher gives €10 reduction when more than €35 is spent. She also has €50 in cash. Write down an inequality in x to show the range of money she could spend in the shop. So let's just make a note of the important information. She has a €10 voucher and she has €50 in cash. So the first one, an inequality in x which shows the range of money she could spend. So she has to spend her voucher. Therefore, she needs to spend more than €35. But if she spends €35, she can use the voucher, so she'll only spend €25. The most cash that she has is €50, so that's the most amount of money she can spend. So x is greater than 25 or less than or equal to 50. Now we have to write down an inequality in y to show the price range of the articles she could buy. So it's not the money she's spending, it's the amount of money the articles cost. So again, she has to spend €35, or she has to buy something that costs €35. So 35 is less than Y. But the price range of articles, she gets €10 off, so the price range is €60. So if something costs €60, she can still get it because she has her voucher plus her €50 in cash. For more information, visit PositiveMaths.ie, email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.